Hello everyone. So in last lecture we saw what is wide setup and what is wide loop. So in this lecture we will dive deep into Arduino programming. So let me connect the microcontroller first. So I connected the microcontroller and here I found on COM 5 on port 5 I have Arduino. Okay. So it might be possible for you. It is not, it will not come direct. So let me just show you. When you just click on the form file, you will get this kind of interface. So you need to just search US Arduino Uno here and just select the Arduino Uno board and press OK. So let me just compile this sketch, verify this sketch. Though I haven't written anything, it is fine. And let's just upload this. Okay, done. It is uploading, done uploading. So what just happened right here? So consider I have my PC. This is my system, my computer, and this is the Arduino board. Okay. Arduino. So I have connected both of these using the USB cable. So as soon as I press upload button, this code that is there in my computer, that is .ini file, this got uploaded onto Arduino Uno. So as we know, Arduino Uno have the microcontroller in it, correct? So now the code went to this controller and the code is running in this controller. So code is not running on my system. It is now running in my Arduino Uno. Okay. So in I hope you understood this point. So when I press upload button, the code will go to the Arduino Uno microcontroller. So this microcontroller, as we know from introduction to Arduino lecture, this is at Mega 328 microcontroller. So now code is running in this microcontroller. Okay. So I hope you got this much point. What is happening here once I press upload button. Okay. In previous video, I have told you something that is IDE. So what do I mean by IDE? In previous lecture, I only told you this full form, that is integrated development environment. So before IDEs, what used to be happen? We used to write .c code or some format code. Okay. Then we separately used to compile this code. After compiling for microcontroller, I used to get assembly code. This assembly code again used to go from the assembler and use all the linking used to happen here, and we used to get the hex file. And then using some external programmer, we used to put this thing to the microcontroller. Okay. So some programmer here. So this flow we used to follow before IDE. So in the IDE, all these things happens in a single software. Correct? We just written the code here that is void setup and void loop, and we just hit the upload button. It automatically compiled the code in background. It made the assembly code. From assembly, again, it made the hex code for the particular code, and it uploaded to the microcontroller. So this is the meaning of integrated development environment. So everything is integrated in the same environment. So I hope now you understood what is the meaning of IDE and what is Arduino IDE. I hope now you got the clear idea. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will see different commands and different instructions and what they do. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.